We're focused on bioremediation solutions for a variety of industries: wastewater, biogas, concentrated animal farming. There's a few others as well, but those are the key. We're fundamentally working at the intersection of material science and biology. So where those two points come together, that's really where we're focused. And fundamentally delivering microbes for industrial use via our patented engineered particle. So we were a recipient of a Global Technology Award from WEX, I think 2 years ago. That was quite a big step for us. We see wastewater as a challenging industry. It's got origins in being municipally owned, which is in many cases a different process and mindset. It's often civil engineering led, so focused on investment in equipment, physical separation, and it has this element of public health, which generally forces it to innovate incrementally rather than embrace, say, revolutionary changes. With the work we did with WEX, it helped us establish credibility. It also helped us put the science behind, what we consider to be this magic. We have this proprietary technology. We've invested significantly into it, and generally, it's not something you can touch or see, which has always been a challenge for us. So it helped us kind of put some of the science behind the claims that we're making, and it became an excellent forum for us to build momentum. In terms of launching in Europe, there are a handful of key challenges. One was really establishing the proposition. For us, it's around OpEx versus CapEx, harnessing microbiology versus equipment or physical separation, and then getting people into this try and buy mode. There was a lot of work around in the marketing side in terms of establishing credibility, delivering proof of concepts, and demonstrating use cases. WEX was extremely helpful in helping us kind of tick those boxes. I spent a lot of my time dealing with, as someone in an early stage company, what's our channel strategy? Are we selling direct? Are we selling indirect? Are we looking for a business development relationship? What's the model? What are the geographic markets we want to focus in? And then what are the industry sectors that we want to prioritize? Is it wastewater? Is it biogas? Is it something else? And then obviously the hard part, because there's a physical product, this isn't software we're selling. It's there's a technical capability that's got to sit behind it, which we've had to build that capability here in Europe. We have to integrate into the operational work streams of our client, which is tough. A lot of these businesses are quite rigid, and then build business cases that are compelling. Just a couple of words on the technology. I don't want to go into deep detail, but fundamentally there's three core aspects of the proposition. Through this engineered particle, this carrier where we load the microbes, we're providing an enormous amount of surface area. So about 1 kilo of product is the equivalent of about 300 basketball courts is the math, which is a lot of surface area, because we tend to put in 1 kilo, 2 kilos a day into the aeration basin at a wastewater plant or into a biodigester. We have a patented substrate that helps protect those microbes against viral diseases and predation. And because of the design of the particle, it gets to the food source. It sinks, it won't float on top. It'll sink it down to the food source and allow the microbes to take over the food source.